Hello friends, welcome to the channel Physics by IITians. In this video, we will discuss how a particular function given to you can be checked whether it represents a valid magnetic field or not. In this case, we have been given 4 different questions. All these functions are actually directed along the z direction, and these functions, in the first part, it is a function of both x, y and z. In the B part, it is a function of z only, and in the C part, the given function is a function of x only. So to check whether this particular function represents a magnetic field or not, what we can check, we can see that through the Gauss law for the magnetism, the divergence of B should be 0. Let's suppose you have been given the magnetic field as Bx as a function of x by g both directed along the x direction, then By y cap, and similarly Bz z cap. It is a B is given as a function of both x, y and z, and it is directing in the 3D space. Now to verify this condition that the divergence of B should be 0, what we can do, we can check that if we take the divergence of this particular equation, that then we can say that the del Bx over del x plus del By over del y plus del Bz over del z should be 0. Or you can also check it from the magnetic field lines that if you are using a particular area of this space, then the lines, if the lines entering the area and the lines going away from the area are the same, means the number of lines passing the area and number of lines leaving the area is the same, that means the divergence of a particular function is 0. So in this case, we will check this particular mathematical equation whether this divergence of B is 0 or not. Now let's check these all conditions for the given functions. So this is the function that is given to us, and from this we can check, we can see that all these vectors are actually directed along the z direction only. That means this first and the second terms will be 0, and we can easily say that the divergence of B will reduce to del B naught over del z, that is equals to 0. Or if you solve this particular differential equation, you can see that this will be valid only when the B naught is a constant, or B naught can be a function of x and y, but it should not be a function of z. So if you see the first part of this question, you can see that the first part, the B naught is a function of both x, y and z. That means there is a z variable also, and this will not give you del Bz over del z to be 0. So this cannot represent a valid function. Similarly, the B part can also not represent a valid function because it is also a function of z. But if you see the C part, it is given that the B is directed along the z direction, but this B is a function of x only. And that means this is satisfying the divergence B condition, and thus option C represents a valid magnetic field. Friends, you can join our test series program, our programming guidance package, or also our interview guidance package. Here all the information is given in this website, where you can go that PGP program information you can see here. And similarly for the IGP you can go here, and the TSP, the test series program, you can see here. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and thank you.